Coco and Miko. Join the fun with Coco and Miko.
Hi Komi's friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to build a traditional Malay house using magnetic tiles. And while we're building it, I'm going to share the history behind it with you. Does anyone already know about it? Long times ago, many Malay families lived near rivers and forests, so they built their houses on tall wooden stilts. This helped protect them from floods and even wild animals. And the space under the house kept the home cool in the hot weather. These houses were made from strong wood. Village craftsmen carefully built them by hand. They didn't even need many nails. They used special wooden joints to hold everything together. Look at the roof. It's tall and steep. That's because in tropical countries, it rains a lot. The steep roof design helps rainwater flow quickly during heavy tropical storms. Traditional Malay houses were not just buildings, they were places where families gathered, celebrated, and shared stories. During special days like Hari Raya, the house would be full of laughter, lights would glow, food would be shared, and everyone felt welcome. Today, many houses are made of concrete. But traditional Malay houses remain an important symbol of heritage. Thanks for watching. Wishing you a blessed Ramadan and a joyful Hari Raya. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in our next video. Bye bye.
Join the fun with Coco and Miko.